to the image to video page. You can choose from 3 upload options. In the dialog box, you can enter your video presentation requirements. Your prompts will be automatically optimized. You can select master render for higher video quality and choose from preset styles for models or product displays. Creative styles and video duration are also customizable. Once your selections are made, simply click Generate. The results look very natural, with clear product details and smooth motion, greatly enhancing your product's appeal and professionalism. You can also upload both a start and end frame, and the AI will automatically generate a seamless transition animation, making your product showcase even more comprehensive. Let's try generating a video with the catwalking preset. The frame-to-frame feature intelligently generates smooth transitions between the first and last frame, while allowing prompt-based control over the output of the video. Wow! The model's movements are full of rhythm, and the clothing's material and fit are fully displayed as she walks the runway. Videos can be downloaded in MP4 GIF or WebP formats, making it easy to use directly on e-commerce platforms and social media. SellerPic's image-to-video feature makes short video production efficient and simple.